Hey man, Empire, Toxic Gang, all rise. It's JC 400, and we back again. See, sometimes I don't even know what I'm gonna say, man. You know, it's just like the Most High talk to me, and I just start recording, dog. I press play. Whatever come out, and I'ma live with it. We just gonna talk about standards, man. Qualifications. The things as a man you must have. You must hold yourself to a standard first. You know, before I get into it, I must say this. If you can't discipline yourself, you can't discipline your woman. If you don't have dominance over yourself, your desires, controlling yourself from doing the things that are detrimental to your health, to your mindset, to your peace of mind, to your purpose, how can you be a leader for your woman? Now that leads me into this. Bottom line, Empire, Alphas, Toxic Gang, women are women. No matter how you write it up, slice it up, dice it up, switch it up, pack it up, gram it up, women are women. What I mean by this is, even the baddest IG models you see to the average Joe, the average Jane on the street, they all follow female nature. To the T. They all love conditionally. They are all chasing the best option they could possibly get. They all want a man that can provide security, bring leadership, is inspirational. Other men want to be like. Other women want to smash. We hold these truths to be evident. See, despite whether she is a 2 or a 10, I don't even go by 10. The highest a woman gets on my scale is 9. And when it comes to 9s, you won't see me throwing around a 9. So, bottom line, despite how she looks, fellas, female nature is evident. She's still a woman. She still needs you in order to be fully connected to the Most High. We know women live a life full of chaos if they don't have a leader to help structure them. What does she ask you all the time, fellas? Where do you want to eat? Sis, you gotta eat to live. But I gotta decide every time. That's cool. I know myself. I know thyself. I will make the decision. See, putting women on a pedestal is something of the past. It shouldn't have been done in the past anyway. The only thing I can say about them in the past that put women on a pedestal is that there were virgin women at that time. That deserves to be pedestalized. We don't live in those times anymore. Chivalry is dead, fellas. I'm gonna let you listen to this real quick, man. This gonna be my new joint. We're gonna give it a few. You must know who you are. You must know that without you, women are directionless. But when you live in your feminine energy, you are just as directionless as them. You need an alpha in your life if you live in your feminine. Not me. Get away from me, Jack. Because I'ma live in my masculine energy unapologetically. The world lacks it right now. Our women are screaming out for it. I know you can hear them, dog. Because I hear them clear as day. Feminism this, feminist that. Equal this, partnership that. That's just a call for help. But if you not red pill, if you not masculine to the bone, you can't hear that cry out for help. Huh. Oh, I hear it, dog. But you know what they say. When the student is ready, the master will appear. I'm not Captain Save-'em. I'm not a super savior. When the student is ready, I shall appear. When she knows it's time, I may or may not be around. But you better believe this. There'll be another John beside me that's ready, that's teachable, that knows she needs a leader, an alpha, a high value man. Baby, you welcome here. It's just sad that it's no helping a lot of the women today. They've gone so far down the rabbit hole that it ain't no turning back. So men, I leave you with this. You can't save everybody. Every woman. You can't even save your fellow men that's beta to the bone. But what you can do, man, you can save yourself. And that's all I expect you to do. It always starts with you, man. Peace, love, prosperity. 999. I love this shit, boy. Toxic gang. It's all love. Empire. All rise. Let's vibe out for a second. Hold up. It's JC 400. And we out.